After you click Install, the plan selection screen will appear. Select the plan that best aligns with your store's needs. All paid plans come with a 14-day free trial. Click the button in the top right corner to proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, you will land on the home screen, which gives you a quick overview of the app's features. You can pin the application to the left sidebar for easy access. To preview your search box and page, you will first need to activate Prefixbox modules. It is recommended to create a copy of your active theme to test Prefixbox on. In your online store's settings, under Themes menu, you can duplicate your current active theme. Once the copy is created, go back to Prefixbox app and select the new Copy theme to activate Prefixbox modules for. First, activate Prefixbox integration. You will be redirected to your theme editor. Make sure the toggle is on, and don't forget to click the Save button. After activating the integration module, return to Prefixbox app's Activate Modules menu, and activate the other modules as well. Make sure you have the correct theme selected for each activation. When activating Prefixbox Search for your search page, make sure you hide search results under Template, so Shopify's built-in search will be hidden, and the Prefixbox Search module takes over. Finally, activate the Prefixbox Category module, which will embed into your collection pages. Make sure you hide Product Grid under Template, so Shopify's built-in product tiles become hidden, and the Prefixbox module takes over. Don't forget to click Save. Now that modules have been turned on, you can preview your theme you activated Prefixbox for. The Prefixbox app will be embedded in your collections and search pages. If you select one of your collections, Prefixbox filters and tiles will appear. You can customize the layout under Layout Configuration menu. The filters displayed will be only those available for the specific products queried. When you focus into your autocomplete box and start typing, Prefixbox updates the results with every keystroke. You can customize the layout of this box under Layout Configuration menu. After pressing Enter, you will land on your search page, now powered by Prefixbox. The filters displayed will be only those available for the specific products queried. You can customize the layout under Layout Configuration menu.